So I believe in a very different model of building a business. I am a person who believes that anybody who joins my business must have skin in the game. And, like there was a value at Uber. We used to, there was like one of the cultural values, be an owner, not a renter. So I believe that to create that sort of ownership in people, to begin with, I want them to be invested in the business, not in a linear employment oriented manner, but actually think like how, if they were in my place, or if they are in my place, which they would be if they join the company, then what is it that they can do? And I think it makes it like I want to make each person that joins Head Start to be an entrepreneur on themselves and say, okay, if there is anything that, if I would do differently, more than welcome. Do it differently. It's your business. And they as much has a skin in the game that as much as I do. So whether I believe in Nepal, I think that's one big aspect. Like ESOPs is one thing that we are lacking in a very big way. Like I don't think in a lot of organizations, there's still a concept of ESOPs, which makes it very important.
Can you elaborate that?
Because ESOPs, so employment stock options, right? So employment stock options just generally like makes people believe that they're a part of that entire process of growth. They are rooting for that company reaching a certain place. They believe in the longevity of their role and not really just, a small term project or a stint that they are doing for 1 year, 2 years. And with the kind of tightness that's coming in the market, because so many people are leaving the countries and so many people are, just migrating, the number of people that stay within the company for longer is going to become the real differentiator between how you manage the business. So investing in people is the core element to coach them, to make sure that they are actually, you're developing that second line of leadership. And they also see that potential in the company, that they have a scope to grow, rather than thinking of this job as a very transactional model where I have this role and job description for someone and they have to just come and do the work and take the paycheck and go back. It's going to motivate for a while, and after that it's going to drop. And then again, there will be a problem of hiring. And again, there will be a problem of where to find the talent. And truth be told, it's getting difficult. So I guess it's just that one, how do we develop skin in the game? Is it ESOPs? Is it partnerships? Is it maybe a small percentage? Maybe it is, incentive pay or pay by performance or things like these, right? How are we investing in these people, and how much scope do they see in their own personal growth as being part of this company that they are joining? I think these three factors for me, if I can solve for them, I believe I wouldn't face a problem of.
तपाईले हाम्रो क्लिप एकदमै एन्जोय गर्नुभयो होला। अब पुरै भिडियो हेर्नको लागि चाहिँ युट्युबमा सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला।